Hey, it's Dr. Nussi from Brand New Weight Loss, and today we are going to make a low-calorie, dirty keto version of the Shamrock Shake. First things first is we are sitting outside of McDonald's. So what we need to do first is taste a Shamrock Shake for research and development purposes only. The sacrifices we're willing to make for the job sometimes, please don't feel sorry for us. Let's hit the drive-thru.
How may I help you today?
Hi, yes please. A small Shamrock Shake.
Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
It will be 309 at the first window.
Thank you.
Whoa, look at that thing.
Thank you. You too.
Check it out. All right, so the thing about the Shamrock Shake is, yes, we want to get it to taste as close to the original as possible, and obviously we wanted to have it compliant with low-cal dirty keto, which in my opinion is the way of eating that is best for rapid fat loss. But also the thing specifically about the Shamrock Shake is how it looks. I mean, look how beautiful that thing is in the little plastic cup with the whipped cream. It looks really, really good. So we want to mimic that as closely as possible as well. For some reason, the nicer something looks, the better it tastes as well. I don't know why that is. So we're gonna let Ben hold this thing. Check that out. What do you think about that?
That looks crazy.
It looks good, right?
Yeah.
Are you ready to taste it?
Yeah.
Go ahead. You get first sip. It's green. It's even green coming out the straw.
Oh my gosh, it's like
What do you taste? Give me your first take on what it tastes like.
minty, definitely.
Definitely minty. It looks minty. Is it good? Vanilla, kind of vanilla ice cream with mint. That's what I've heard.
Yeah.
All right. All right, so after all three of us trying the Shamrock Shake, Mom and I think it kind of tastes like mint chocolate chip ice cream in a shake form. So our plan is going to be to use our traditional vanilla shake substitute, the recipe that we have for a vanilla shake that is low-cal, dirty keto compliant, and then add mint to it and just try to get that combination correct. So the next video you're gonna see is the final video after we've experimented of what the actual recipe contains. All right, so there it is, our version of the Shamrock Shake. We embellished it a little bit with the cocoa nibs and coloring the whipped cream. You know, you can have fun with it. But we all tasted it and we think it came out about 90% like the original, which is awesome, seeing as you save about 1/5 of the calories in the exact same size. So that one's just around 100 calories, whereas the original is 500 calories. So a great option. So make sure you stay subscribed for more hacks like these. LearnOurSecret.com. Definitely like and share this video with somebody else that you think might like this recipe, and definitely check out the brand new app. You can go to Android or Apple, type in brand new, that's N-U-E, download the app, try it out, and let us know what you think in the comments below. All right, as always, everyone, until next time, stay happy and stay healthy, and I'll catch everybody in the next video.